And the whole day goes. And then Mommy.
Dua baju ni.
So what we are going to do today is we're first going to sing the bhajan like the land, or like the land of prayer. Then we'll cut, so that this way everyone gets a chance to see. Normally there we put it to the bhajan. So now you like? Yes. And we built this in 1 month. It's like a warehouse. So we can just wear anywhere. One day. One day. Yes. I really get to see it. Come.
Live show.
Mukund, this is Mukund's day of marble glass. So all the glass painting and everything that started in Gujarat itself was done by him. Oh yes. Thank you so much. Welcome. Thank you so much. I want to. Oh, and so many. I wanted you all to see our final course. I want to introduce you. This is Professor Bora. I'm studying Delia. This is Delia. Aradhya. Americana. He does curved glass, bending of glass, heating of glass, and that centerpiece is his. And you'll see lots of our combined work is glass painting, all years of association. And Natalia is a curator, a collector, and he has most wonderful. In fact, when you enter his office, I went for the first time to his office. You were not yet there. The first thing is your painting. I just sat down on the steps. So shall we wait for your son? Then we start with the... Yes. Please come. All the students must come forward to sing. Kushbu, आओ सब लोग.
Ideal में तो.
Everybody please come forward. Come here. Come here. There, down. Down. Not don't jump. Where's Dimple man? Where is the first one?
आप थोड़ा साइड में हो गए बेबी
આપણે એમનાથી કે આપણે
Seven.
Please come. Anil. Arrest now. Oh, it's very windy. Prasad? Jyoti ma'am is where? Where is Khushbu?
From this side.
Chitra ji, please. Both are Chitras, please. Please come.
Nice one.
हाँ बाजू. Khushbu? Mukul, you lit? I want to introduce Khushbu. Khushbu, please. Khushbu is a student from our Neem Tree project, which was the old Parakram project. She was suffering from dyslexia, but she does excellent creative work. She does terracotta, ceramics, shibori, tie and dye, knitting.
And she's exhibiting today.
And she's also exhibiting today with the rest of the Neem Tree project. Please, can you come? Amita Pumra. She was my oldest student in Ahmedabad. The first one 25 years ago, for God's sake. Nidda, please come. Nidda heads the Asman Foundation, and they bring the children to us and take them back twice a week, and we do thrice a week. Sanvi, as the advanced ideal kid. These are the works you will see inside where she's, how old are you, Sanvi? She's an old lady of 10. Kruti, I mean not Kruti, Trisha. Jyotisha is new to the program, so she'll take the torch forward. Dimple ma'am.
आइए ना प्लीज
Bansi
आइए
Salvi,
Yeah.
another student of Ideal who is doing very great things now.
The blessings of Asha madam.
With the blessings of
Yeah.
everybody.
I really mean it, man.
And I want Dara as the intern for the Neem Tree project. Dara conducts it totally. Ashok bhai. Okay, till we find Ashok bhai, Sanaya. Ah, there he is. Sanaya, please, you get ready next. Ashok looks after our studios, and he's been with me for what, 14 years now? 30. Okay. Sanaya, please come and light on behalf of my mentors, the Wadias. Sam and Farida Wadia. Lokesh, है कि नहीं है? Is Lokesh there? No. Kishan? Okay, never mind. Shiv, please come. No, first, the next generation. That's my next generation. Jitendra Bhai couldn't come in the evening, so he came at 3 o'clock and lit the lamp and went inside. Saroja, my new Bahurani.
He doesn't have an old Bahurani also.
Just look at that, she's terrible.
very well said, very well said.
And I'll call my old ideal students, Shailini, who's just leaving now, Varda, Yashvi. Please come quick.
One side.
बेटा
नहीं, ये बाजू देखना थोड़ा, ये थोड़ा बैक साइड आ रहा है.
ले दियो करेंगे પછી
That side, that side.
Do that side. It's fine, do that side. And then we'll sing.
बेटा
May we
बेटा
have the...
हेलो
Everybody is
वहाँ
supposed
पे
to join us.
जस्ट वहाँ पे खड़ी रहो
And Saroja, please lead us.
इनसाइड यस ना लाइव से बता
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा
साक्षात् कर ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री
गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री
गुरुदेव
या
देवी सर्वभूतेषु
विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः या देवी सर्वभूतेषु
Excuse me.
One nine. Okay. You are participating.
You can have a look around. Many my kids will carry this on, and I'll continue my visits to Ahmedabad. So I just want to show you. So this is fine. This is glass and copper. So I work, everything we work is joint. Like this I did with Mukund. We worked on a huge piece we were making for something else and it broke. Then I cut it, I shaped it, and I did this piece with Patriver, Shiva Shakti. So it's like, you know, when it's what we're all searching for, but not yet found. So I'm still above the water. This is cast glass in different forms of clear glass and different variations of the very extra clear soda glass, all of it together. And I cast the sleeping lady. I still have to finish the drape of the sheets, but yeah, we have the furnace. Everything fits here. Now no more traveling around like a. But the big work, I still will always work with Mukund. And I work very closely with them because this piece, this I think is. No, Mukund? You must tell this story. He was trying to do, and this is very thick glass. So they were trying to turn it in the furnace. And I keep on going to Mukund's place. Yeah, he's got a lovely place over here. It's a huge go down with the most amazing, and he's an artist. His other half, the other partner, and I don't know why Sheetal didn't come, he's a complete businessman. So it's a good team. So whenever I need design, we have to go to Mukund. So he was just playing in the furnace. And I'd always go and steal all his bits and pieces. So I found this piece. So all I had to do was just cut a little bit, shape a little bit, and we made Shiv Shakti. So I always feel, you know, I mean, the association has been very good. And he's very humble. He never speaks, never does anything. You know? You don't need to say. In fact, my SEPT students who come, I always take them for a visit to his factory. Because the knowledge that he has in glass is something amazing. And this is a shivling, which he was going to throw away. So we converted it and made this into a shivling. I'm very into this Vairagya stage of my life. So this is the shivling. How do you like it? I thought you should. And now we'll begin with Kruti. Trisha, pata nahi, I'm calling your mother Kruti. Kruti is an ideal kid, 11 years old. Not Kruti, Trisha. And she is still doing the program. This is about mid jury she just had today. So this is her work. This is all her work. You can see, show your first apple. I think that is a brilliant one. We make them all keep their first apples. No, the pencil one, the worst one. She's trying to hide it. Where's the first one? So what we ask them to do is keep it, so that it will remind them, yeah, where they're reaching. But you know, they study the artists. They are able to do this, and they are supposed to just look at the picture, whichever the artist they are following at that time, and then produce it without replica. No, they have to do it. They have to do it. They have to do it. Show your that one. Look at that one. So, yeah. I think she's got a very graphical twist, with her tail. This is Dhara, and Dhara is doing her 3 months duty in the foundation program. Show your first apple. No one wants to show it. You can So they learn everything in the foundation. That's made by them. Show your pot. And this one is done with the traditional primitive firing. Coal firing using traditional rock pigment. And then coal firing. And they have to pick any one period of civilization's prehistory that they like. This is Mustafa. No, we think that Mustafa's finished he's gone into class. So this is his foundation work, really. Mustafa, don't lock it, you have to sit
Adi.
He's a very meticulous artist, very detailed.
और बढ़ गया
So what do you do?
पूरे वाले
I'm a graduate.
They are sometimes they're doctors and architects, sometimes they're graduates and artists. So that is his class. This is Varda who's finished this year. How old are you? 60? Yes, no, it's very important because such a long journey she's had, that makes it. Yeah. You see if they can show it. You can see the confidence. Yes. And those are spectacular. Yeah. Those are all, I'm sorry to tell you, inspired by your work. No, we study him, we study you. Yeah. This is Shailini. She's also behind you. Nothing. Yeah.
ये पूरा करेंगे सभी जगह
9 to 16. Now she's joined the but this is her work. And these are the stages of her growth, which I think she has documented beautifully. And we don't know how to study history. And then a lot with Dali, she went very deeply into and we asked her for visualization. And that is her, which civilization did we hit? Yeah, because it's really an extreme thing. This child had to go, she's also a national champion in badminton. And she's my ideal kid, she also finishes this. She studied which civilization? She also did Egypt. They love it. So she came to me when she was 8. And this is yes, a lot. This is a demo I did. When I was in PDP, I had to teach. So I think we do a demo. Yeah. This is Nelson. Nelson is faculty over here. Faculty is supposed to present. And he is also excellent.
Your name?
Yashvi.
Facebook Live.
Live.
Nice. It's your painting?
Yeah.
Great. Explain your one of the picture.
So this is Van Gogh picture.
This is Romana Bharat. And it's an essential This is done by one of my boys, Kishan. That is going on so, and it's completely finished. This is finished. So I left it raw, like this. Everything. Yeah, the wheel, all of it. This is done by Ashok, my studio supervisor. Bit of a heavy-handed play, but I think it's been you must come. You'll all enjoy just dressing it up here. Yes, now it is. And it's very. Oh, you live here. Is it okay? So that is the work. I'll show you. Normally, Saturday.